This poem is for you. You are mine, always and forever. You are all that I had in life. You are my heart and soul. You know, baby, you had a big role. You made, you had a big role. You made a difference to me. It is all that I had you. It is all that I could see, ever see. Then why did you change, my dear? Tell me, tell me, why did the love change you for me? Why this happened? I do not know. I do not know. Things just happened. Nothing to show. Your love, your love has given, given me that state of sadness, my dear, that I can see. It is all written in my destiny, my dear, to be as you had to be. Cannot find love anymore to see, my dear heart. It is not, it is not the same that I see. It is not the same love in your eyes, my dear. It is not the same anymore. Not the same anymore. I do not see that spark in you for me. I do not see that smile galore, my dear. Smile galore you used to say, you used to come to me, my dear, and hug me so tight, pretty girl. There is nothing left to explore when our relation is on the verge where we are. We are searching ourselves. Love is not. Love is not there anymore. There is no passion, my dear. There is no passion and just looks like the love is lost. The love is lost, lost in the veil of time. The pain of not being with you, my dear. The pain of not being with you is not letting me love in life, my heart. I don't know. I don't know what would I do without you, my dear honey. What will be my reason to survive, my dear? The pain of not seeing you, the pain of not seeing you have given me all time things to be, things to be. There is nothing left to hear, my dear, nothing else left to see. The passion of your love, The passion of your love was enough to me, my dear. I know, I know there is no love now left to show. The love that I had for you, I had for you, the love that was there in my heart for you, my dear heart. I pray, I pray that it rains to the moon. I pray that rains come too soon, my dear. Wash away the tears on my face. I crying more. I wish that love just goes out of my mind, my dear. The world has not been so kind. I wish, I wish that I had never known you. I had never known you. I wish that I had never met you because you broke my heart in many pieces. I have nothing left in my heart. I have nothing left in my heart. You were an important part in my heart, my dear. I wish I was never, I wish I was in love, never in love with you, my dear. Just the way I never wanted to see you. I never wanted to see a love that was not in my destiny, my dear. I thought it is love. I thought it's love. I thought I love the prettiest girl from heart. But that was just the start. Just the start. Your real face is now in front of me. I can see. I can see what you did with me. You used me, but I also have a heart. You very well, my dear. You very well played your part. I will remember in time that you were mine. If you like this video, then subscribe, share.